everybody. Welcome back to the kitchen with my assistants, Evelyn and Amelia. And today we're going to be working on some cucumber sandwich snacks. So I've taken my cucumber, we've washed it, and I cut the ends off and I cut it in half. So each girl is going to have half of a cucumber. Do you want to start, Evelyn? And we're going to cut it into little slices. Yes, you may start. And I gave Amelia a sharper knife because she's 7. And it's used under supervision, of course. So you want to cut like you're going to have, it's going to be like a piece of bread for your sandwich. Can I help you, Evelyn? Here, put your hand on. Evelyn's plastic knife is a little harder to get through the skin of the cucumber, but it can still be done. Right, Evelyn? Push hard. Push, push, push.
Push, push, push.
Good, Amelia. Make sure your fingers never go underneath and you've got a sharp knife. Can you push and do this one in? Push 2 hands. Good. Okay, let's put this knife away. Good, you did it. I'm going to slide it away. There we go. We've got all of our pieces for our sandwiches ready. Now, we're going to use some spread. So what we've brought today is cream cheese, peanut butter, and some Greek yogurt. So all 3 of these are going to taste lovely on our cucumber sandwiches and very different. So Amelia, why don't you start with the cream cheese? You spread it on 1/2 of your sandwich and then close it up. And Evelyn, you can start with the peanut butter.
Peanut butter?
So
where?
on like it's a piece of bread, you're going to spread it on. So we've done spreading on crackers before, but this is a new kind of medium we're using. Vegetables with dips and spreads, right? Okay, so once Amelia's got some cream cheese, oh my goodness, Evelyn, you might need to put some back in your bowl and save it for the next one. We're going to close up the sandwich and put it on our tray. So we're going to have 3 kinds of cucumber sandwiches. Amelia, will you move on and try the yogurt for me? The yogurt's going to be a little easier to spread, and Evelyn's got the stickiest one. She's got the peanut butter. Oh my goodness. I knew you were going to do that. Evelyn loves peanut butter. Okay, but if you do that and put it in your mouth, you can't put it on our sandwiches anymore. Okay? What have you got, Amelia? A nice yogurt cucumber sandwich? Oh, look at that.
Can I make a peanut butter one?
Okay, let's let Amelia use the peanut butter and Evelyn can use the yogurt.
And then everyone can use the cream cheese.
Yep, and you can do the cream cheese too, Evelyn. Okay? And then put them into our nice little display case with the different flavors, and we can have a lovely snack together.
So chunky.
So choose another piece of cucumber bread and then close it up.
Cucumber bread. Cucumber. It's so hard to keep